The welder. He's not in a suit. He's in boots that crack, gloves that burn, and a hood that's seen more fire than most people ever will. He doesn't type reports. He writes in steel. Each bead tells a story of heat, pressure, and zero room for mistakes. He doesn't work in comfort. He works in rain, in mud, in whiteout snow. He's welded on bridges in the wind and under pipe racks where you can't even sit up straight. He doesn't ask for easy, just for room to strike an arc. He's burned, scarred, sun-fried and soaked, and still shows up early with a thermos and a bad back. Because when the steel shows up, someone's got to make it whole. He doesn't post every weld, he doesn't brag, but when the structure holds, when the pressure test passes, when the crane lifts and nothing fails, that's his name, sealed in silence. No spotlight, no medals, no applause, just one more joint, one more day, and the satisfaction that his hands built what others can only trust. He's not just a welder, he's the reason the world holds together when everything else falls apart.